This is verse 3 of the 26th chapter, Gospel of Matthew. Jesus has just announced once again to his disciples, even more emphatically than before, of his coming crucifixion. And as if to dramatize the point, Matthew then shifts immediately to describe how that which Jesus has predicted is being implemented by those who are his intractable enemies. So verse 3 introduces that. So we have tota, a declinable adverb, then. Sunake thesan, this is from sunago, I gather together. It's the third person plural. Aorist passive indicative, they were gathered together. Namely, hoi archaeores, this is the word for chief priests or high priests. Kai hoi presbyteroi, the elders. Of course, our word Presbyterian comes from this, an elder-oriented form of church government. Matthew doesn't mention grammatos, the scribes. It is mentioned in other accounts of the same incident. So we can assume they were present, but Matthew, for whatever reason, omits them. So the high priests and elders to lau of the people. Of course, the elders did represent more the popular population as opposed to the priestly class. So these are gathered, eistain alain, into the alay. The word can mean a sheepfold, that's its common usage, but it can also mean a palace. So interesting possible meanings there, of course, but here it is referring to the palace. To archaeoreus. Interestingly, these are the same word. In the one case, it's plural. Here it is singular. So there was among these who were the chief priest, the high priest. And in this case, to legamenu, who was called or who was being said to be, from lego, Caiaphas, the son-in-law of the man who had been appointed. Normally the appointment was for life, and men in Israel regarded Annas as the true lifetime appointed high priest, but of course Rome, exercising a huge political and religious influence in Israel, had deposed Annas, had appointed a succession of priests, some of whom were the sons of Annas, but now his son-in-law, who is Caiaphas, is the one holding the post.